There are tons of Tailwind libraries, like Tailwind company libraries already made, okay, and maintained as well, for React, for HTMLs, everything is there. But still, one thing that you will find, like, none of them has a great support for animations. Okay, so do we need something for animations as well? Like, if it would be great, right, if animation is included in the Tailwind CSS, like some of the component libraries. So maybe I have something like that today. So let's roll out the intro and let's see what I have. So today, while I was wandering around, like in the internet, I was not particularly searching for Tailwind CSS library, but I got to know about it. Like, it's a really, like, it's a new. First of all, it's a new Tailwind CSS library, which supports both HTML and React. And right now, I am using Next, and I am thinking of switching to Remix as well. So kind of works for me, and it has Tailwind CSS built in. It has awesome micro interactions and really great features, forged into it. Okay, and the most important thing about it is, like, it is accessible. Yes, it's maintaining all of the A11Y standards, like with automatic area attributes and keyboard navigation. That's awesome, right? That's really awesome. So let's just see what I have today, right? Let me just show you the components library. So first of all, here I have extend UI, and the most beautiful thing about it is when you hover over the navbar, see that interaction, how great it is, right? Not those, this can be done in any of the, like, any of the framework, like without even a component library you can create this, but this one is great, right? And see the motion, okay, like there are smoothness, a bezier curve is there. Okay, and those toggles, like, not toggle, you will say that it's a tooltip, yeah, those tooltips that you can see over here, like the hover, like levitation state, that is also great. And when you scroll down, like start scrolling, see the animations. So all of those things can be achieved by this library, and it's great. Like, see those animations. Now, without further, like, hovering into here, let's just go to the component libraries. Like, it is the introduction section, and I am choosing React right now. You have HTML as well. I am choosing React. Okay, and rather than like viewing components and all, let's just get dive into the theme, because, like, you have two types of navigation. That is, you can choose from themes, you can choose from components as well. And if you go through components, here are all of those components over here. Like, let me show you something that is really great. Like, let me show you the scroll trigger. Okay, here you can see the scroll trigger. Wait, you have to position it. Yeah, it's sticky. Yeah, see the scroll triggerings. This is sticky bottom, this is sticky top, all of these are possible. And, like, if you will just, let me just bring it to full screen. See, now if you want to scroll up, great, isn't it? And rather than that, you have like, other elements too. Like, if I wanna say, suppose, wait, let me go global again. If you have global styles, but let me go through components now. Now I want to show you the tooltip as well. Okay, so here you can see the tooltips, and I think there's an animation for usage multiple. Wait. There's an, yeah. See, can you believe this is a tooltip? Like how, right? Like so much detail they have put into it. Like it looks phenomenal, to be honest. Okay. And when you over it and all, and you can actually have like all of those controls, like content, interactions, animations. Then there's API section for different purpose, but and position, obviously position as well. And if I can show you, when you over it, you can see a list, right? Wait, let me just adjust the camera. You can see this list, right? This list is also a part of their whole design system, right? Whatever, let me show you other elements as well. So if I just go to content, you can see the content background and all. And here is it's again. And then see, like this is out of the world. Like how they are achieving all those. They have put so many, like, to be honest, the headless UI is there, right? This is something beyond headless UI, to be honest, because they have so many components. You, as you can see, headless UI have like limited components. If I go to headless UI, like headless UI, it has like just some limited components. That is menu, list box, then toggle, disclosure, then there is a model, the dialog model, then pop over, radio button, transitions. Though transition doesn't work, and this tab view, like, you may want to say this tab view or something like that. Okay, tabs. And it have so many components rather than the, like, it has in the toggle section, it has drop, overlay, slider, toggle, tooltip. Now this is not slider like that button slide. This is not like that. This is actually carousel, I think. Yeah, this is carousel. See, they have a lot of components than this. Then there is scroll to, scroll triggers, sticky flow, animation. In animation they have cool things as well. They have ripple effect. And in obviously normal section, they have button, cars, icons. Like, they have kept everything in mind, to be honest. I don't know how, but they have. Like, they have created something really great, to be honest. Then there is form as well. Like, if I go to forms, as you can see it here. Wait, I have to go to the some of the layer also. Like, yeah, here you can see the forms as well. Here, yeah, all of the forms are working. I don't know if they have validation or not, but yeah, they have a lot of components, right? And the most important thing about it is it those components are accessible. That's what I care about the most. And in tabs as well, like, see, wait, I didn't knew that it gonna trigger in tabs. See, like, they have great tabs, and they have three versions of this tab as well. See, great, isn't it? You can just pick it up and like use it anywhere you want. Great, to be honest. Great. Now this is also great, but when it co- but in headless UI you are getting everything without the, like, without any design, or without any like what styles. Okay, you have to build everything on your own. But here you are getting some styles, obviously. Now you may prefer getting it without style and put on your brand color. Now, in this thing, I really don't know yet how to customize it with your brand colors. Okay, this is something I have to know, I have to find out. But still, what do I think is, it's great. It's really great. And uh, I'm going to use it for sure, because I really liked it. Because why not, right? It has some of the great features that otherwise you have to search for different type of libraries and put into your code, right? So I will obviously use it. and I will go a little bit deeper into it and find out like how it is possible to have like different kind of things like customizing it with your brand colors and all. So I will obviously check out that. So rather than that, nothing else about it. I'm loving it and I will obviously use it. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great libraries like this, please let me know about all of them so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.